Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Flash games step by step. Start by choosing a safe browser or a trusted Flash emulator and install it with care. Next, test audio and input to ensure controls respond properly. Keep game files in a dedicated folder and avoid unknown downloads. Backup progress periodically and learn basic troubleshooting like clearing cache or updating drivers to keep gameplay smooth and stable. Look for reputable archives or community collections that preserve classic Flash titles to avoid broken links. Use tags and genre filters to narrow options to puzzles, platformers, or shooters you like. Preview screenshots and read reviews to gauge compatibility and quality. Download or load games into your emulator in a dedicated folder. Test short sessions first to confirm controls and performance before committing to longer playtime sessions. Configure controls first by mapping keyboard and mouse inputs in your emulator to match original gameplay. Tweak graphics scaling and audio settings for the best balance between performance and clarity. Use save states or built-in save features to preserve progress and avoid losing hours to crashes. Practice core mechanics in short runs and learn enemy patterns or puzzle logic. Keep consistent backups and update your emulator for improved compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.